Hi friends, welcome to Mama's Kitchen today, and as you can see I have puris which are enjoyed with the bhaji, and we say puri bhaji. So let's move on to the recipe. Before that, please note down the ingredients. Alright, so in a bowl I will add the wheat flour, 1/4 teaspoon, salt, oil. I will use spoons vegetable oil. Mix the oil very well, and then I will add water little by little. And now knead the dough until soft. Have to knead the dough very well so that it's nice and smooth and soft. After kneading the dough very well, I will cover and let it sit for at least 15 minutes and we'll be back. Right, so it's been 15 minutes and now I'll get started with the making of the. So we'll make a small round lemon-sized bowl like this. Right, so here I have 10 puri bowls. Now let's get started in making the puri. First of all, we will drop the flour. The flour like this, and then with the rolling pin, get started. There's no need to explain how to make the chapati, the puri. Everyone knows, so this is the way it has to be, nice and round. So I'll make all the puris and then we'll get back to you. Alright, so here the puris are ready to go in the hot oil. Let's get started. So here I've kept a white pan and with sufficient oil to fry the puris. So now I'll wait till the oil is nice and hot. So oil is nice and hot. It's time to drop in the puri, and so here, lovely. So this is the way it has to be, nice and fluffy. So now in few seconds I will flip on the flip side. And then few seconds, it's like 10 to 15 seconds, and the oil has to be really hot. So here I go. So I'll take these on the paper towel and we'll fry the rest of them. So the next puri goes in the oil. So same here. Nice and fluffy puri. So I will fry all the puris. Wow. And we'll be back. It depends on the kneading of the flour actually. Here I can feel the softness and the fluffiness. Nice and fluffy puri. So puris are fried on high heat, and this is excellent job. My husband is helping me for doing this. Seconds, and then 10 seconds on the flip side, and we're done. They come out really beautifully. Is enjoyed with potato bhaji, and I've already prepared here. Alright, so friends, you can see the puris are ready, and they are well enjoyed with the potato bhaji. And I will enjoy my bhaji puri at this time. Now, if you have liked this video, please like and share. Thanks for watching.